Hi everybody, Matthias here. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to put videos in slow motion on Snapchat, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Snapchat app. And now when I'm on my Snapchat app, then what I'm going to do is to just quickly record a video for you to demonstrate. So I'm just going to click on the circle right here and I'm just going to record a video. So this one should be good, I think. So what I need to do now is to simply swipe to the right and keep swiping to the right until you get this like a snail emoji, as you can see, or a snail symbol basically. And as you can see, when I get this snail symbol, then you can see that my video is now going much slower than before. So basically this is exactly how to put a video in slow motion on Snapchat. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.